Hey guys, let's go ahead and create a click event in GA4. And the type of event I want to create, not only is it a click event, but it's a click out. So we're going to be clicking out to an outbound link, it's called. And the idea is we're going to do it all within the GA4 interface. Okay, so let's get started. Here's the home page of GA4. We're going to use what I like to use all the time, the real-time view. And this allows us to see what the flow of data looks like. Okay, so right here, this is the page view section. Let's open the site that this GA4 instance pertains to. Here it is. And you can see there I am on the site. Now I'm going to click this Learn More button. I'm just going to hold Control and click because it is going to an outbound link. But I want this to be my event, clicking the Learn More button. So let's see what happens in the real-time view when I click it. Okay. Here we go. Click is going to be the event name. And there we go. Outbound. Outbound true. All right. But that isn't specific enough. Link URL. There it is. Okay. So let me write this down. So it's going to be our logic for the event is going to be event name underscore name. And then it's going to be click because I clicked click. And then link underscore URL. Link underscore URL. And then I'm going to say contains advertising, marketing, communications. Okay. Is there a way I can see this whole thing? Yeah. So if you do an inspect on it, you can just grab the text. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now let's go back to the event section. Now that I have my flow, my logic that I want to set up, we'll go to admin, and in the property area, you're going to click on events. Then you're going to click on create event. Okay. So this is going to be, we're going to call it learn more. Click. So this is the logic I wrote down. Event underscore name, that's already there for us, equals click. Remember we saw that in the real-time view. And then we're going to add another condition because the flow is not finished. And we're going to say link URL contains, you can do the whole thing actually. Let's just say equals since I copied the whole URL. Equals the URL that button is going out to. Okay. Now we'll hit create. Remember, link more, click. And the way to debug this, or the way to test it, is by going back to the real-time view. There it is here at the bottom. Event name equals click, link URL equals the outbound link that the click is taking the person to. Okay, go back to the home page. Click on view real-time, and let's trigger that event one more time. Okay, learn more. I'm going to hold control, click it. It's going to load here. Right, there it is, right? Advertising, marketing, communications. Okay, so let's go back to here. Where is that event? Let's give it a second or two. All right, here it is here. So let me show you guys. A couple seconds later, you got to make sure that proper traffic is coming to your site so that event actually populates. But in due time, that logic actually does play out. So whatever happened while the user was triggering these real-time events on your site, if you map that properly in the way that I wrote down on my piece of paper and in the way that I wrote down in the event creation area, you'll see it here in the way that I see the newly created event here. Remember, we called it learn_more_click. Here it is. Okay, you can see learn_more_click. You can click into it and then see that the link_URL is in fact this URL that we gave it. So over at the event section, you'll see that this is actually populating. Again, it requires some data to show up in this section, but the real-time view shows that it's working properly. So I'm glad it showed up there so you all can see it. And again, here it is, learn_more_click. Phew, I said it. There we go. All right, hopefully that was helpful. And I just want to show everybody that you don't need extra code to execute some of these events. The way to do it is simply just following the real-time view. Click around on your site, and whether you're creating events based on like a click class in the same way that GTM uses the variable click class, or the text of a button, or in our case, the URL that is being clicked on, you can do all of this within GA4. So it's super powerful. And this is something that you were not able to do with Universal Analytics. So hopefully this is new information for you, but here it is. And thanks for watching.